Do you ever feel like there's just too much to do, but you can't seem to start anything? Procrastination is something we all face, but today, I'm sharing 5 proven hacks to beat it once and for all. These strategies are simple, effective, and you can start using them today. Let's dive in. Hack number 1 is the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. This could be replying to an email, washing a dish, or organizing your workspace. The goal is to reduce mental clutter and build momentum by tackling those tiny tasks right away. Hack number 2 is to break it down. Big tasks can feel overwhelming, which is why we procrastinate. Instead, break them into smaller, more manageable steps. For example, if you're writing a report, start with just the outline. Accomplishing a small part of the task will motivate you to keep going. Hack number 3, the Pomodoro technique. Set a time for 25 minutes and focus on just one task. When the timer goes off, take a 5 minutes break. This method keeps your brain engaged and avoids burnout. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish in short bursts of time. Hack number 4, eliminate distractions. Turn off unnecessary notifications, close unused tabs, and create workspace free from distraction. If you're easily tempted, apps like Focus or Forest can block distracting websites for you. Your environment has a huge impact on your productivity. Hack number 5, reward yourself. After completing a task, treat yourself to something you enjoy, a snack, a walk, or even just a few minutes on social media. Knowing there's a reward waiting can motivate you to push through and get the job done. So there you have it, 5 proven hacks to beat procrastination. Remember, start with small tasks, break down big ones, use the Pomodoro technique, eliminate distractions, and don't forget to reward yourself. Which hack will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a productivity boost. See you next time.